Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Buckle up because we're about to dive into the hottest tech showdown of 2025. GPT-4.5 Orion landed February 27, 2025, hailed for its smooth, human-like chat, but Moonshot AI's brand new Kimi K2 is a trillion-parameter disruptor setting the open-source world ablaze. Which wins closed-door polish or open-source muscle? Let's dive in. First, let's set the stage with some context. GPT-4.5, affectionately nicknamed Orion, burst onto the scene on February 27, 2025. It's the latest offering from OpenAI, available through ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscriptions, as well as their API. Orion was designed as a research preview, showcasing advancements in natural conversation, multimodal inputs, broader knowledge, and a significant reduction in those pesky hallucinations we've all come to know and well, not love. But hold on to your keyboards, because Kimi K2 entered the chat on July 11, 2025. This powerhouse comes from China's Moonshot AI, boasting a jaw-dropping 1 trillion parameters in its mixture of experts model. With 32 billion active parameters and a NIT license, it's ready for developers worldwide to tinker, tweak, and transform. Now, let's pop the hood and look at what makes these AI engines purr. GPT-4.5 feet-seconds architecture is built on the tried-and-true formula of unsupervised pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, and reinforcement learning from human feedback (RLHF). It's optimized for smooth, natural conversation, but don't expect it to be a deep reasoning powerhouse. Kimi K2, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of AI. Its most system hosts a staggering 380 for experts, dynamically routing 8 of them per token. With 61 layers and a massive 1 to 8K token context window, it's built using the cutting-edge MON optimizer. This beast excels in coding, reasoning, and tackling complex agent tasks. Time for a benchmark smackdown. GPT-4.5 shines when it comes to emotional intelligence and nuanced conversation. It's a polyglot, chatting away in 15 languages with ease. And get this, it's so human-like, it's beating the Turing test with a 73% success rate, on par with actual humans. But don't count Kimi K2 out. This open-source marvel is a coding and agent beast, outperforming deep learning rivals like DeepSeek V3, Claude, and even GPT-4.1 when it comes to coding prowess and tool use. It's like having a tireless, genius programmer at your fingertips. Let's break down the features and limitations, shall we? GPT-4.5 brings some serious pros to the table. It's multimodal, handling both text and images with finesse. Its conversational tone is smoother than butter, and those hallucinations we mentioned? They're becoming as rare as a bug-free first release. But there's a catch: it's not cheap. We're talking $75 per million tokens in, $150 per million out. Oh, and if you're an API fan, bad news, it's being phased out on July 14th. Kimi K2, meanwhile, is the people's champion. It's free, open source, and comes with a context window so big it could swallow a novel. It's perfect for autonomy, coding, and building complex tool chains. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. K2 is text-only, so no fancy image processing here. And while its potential is enormous, the developer ecosystem is still in its infancy. So where do these AI titans shine in the real world? GPT-4.5 is your go-to for sensitive writing tasks. Need to craft the perfect email or script? Orion's got your back. It's also a customer support dream and an idea generation machine. Plus, its rich multilingual dialogue capabilities make it a global communicator's best friend. Kimi K2, however, is where the magic happens for developers and automation enthusiasts. If you're building autonomous coding agents, summarizing war and peace-length documents, or automating complex pipelines, K2 is your new best friend. And for all you open-source experimenters out there, this is your playground. Here's a hot take for you. If you're building AI that acts, not just talks, Kimi might be your secret weapon. Let's break it down side by side. GPT-4.5 is a closed system, accessible via subscription or API, while Kimi K2 is open source and free as a bird. Orion handles text and images, but K2 is text only. Context window? GPT-4.5 is moderate, but K2's 1 to 8K token window is massive. When it comes to coding and agents, Orion offers conversational coding, but K2 is fully agentic with seamless tool integration. Price-wise, GPT-4.5 will make your wallet weep with high token fees, while K2 won't cost you a dime. Flexibility? Orion's got no fine-tuning options, but K2's mid-license means it's as customizable as your favorite pizza order. Ecosystem-wise, GPT-4.5 boasts a strong UI and plugin support, while K2 is still building its community, but watch this space. So what's the verdict? GPT-4.5 is the polished conversational powerhouse you've been dreaming of. It's perfect for creatives, multimodal storytellers, and anyone who needs that human touch in their AI interactions. Kimi K2, on the other hand, is the open-source game-changer that's set to revolutionize deep context and agent power. Developers, automation engineers, and open-source enthusiasts, this one's for you. But here's a bonus tip that might just blow your mind. Why choose when you can have both? Imagine leveraging GPT-4.5 for your sleek UI and consent flow, while Kimi K2 works its magic under the hood for backend logic. It's like having your AI cake and eating it too. So which side are you on? Luxurious chat or liberated open source power? Drop your vote in the comments, and hey, if you learned something new today, smash that like button. If you're hungry for more next-gen AI battles, hit subscribe and ring that bell. We just hit 3 million subscribers in 365 days, and we couldn't have done it without AI enthusiasts like you. Whether you're Team GPT-4.5 or Team Kimi K2, one thing's for sure: the AI revolution is here, and it's more exciting than ever. From the best AI for coding to the open-source LLM revolution, we're witnessing an AI agent showdown that's changing the game every single day. So until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Who knows? The next world-changing breakthrough could come from your keyboard. This is your name, signing off from the front lines of the AI revolution. Stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video.